Embaixador República Arábia Sahrawi, Kongratula Governo Timor-Leste nebe Susesu Simu bainaka especial na Rua, Secretário-Geral ONU, o Papa Francisco nebe foi na lais mai visita ne. Embaixador República Arábia Sahrawi mai Timor-Leste, Boibat malaine Boibat, hato congratulação ne, Wenhira Sormalu o primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Guzmão e a Palácio Governo dele, terça-feira ne. Boibat malaini informa, sormutu Josefi governo ne, hakara congratula governo Timor-Leste, nebe Susesu organiza evento bot, visita Papa Francisco, incluímos visita secretário-geral ONU, António Guterres foi na lais ne. Além de ne, e a Sorumalu ne, discutimos assunto bilateral entre nação rua Ninyang, no sira interesse o governo Timor-Leste.
I was in audience. I am the ambassador of Sahrawi Republic, Western Sahara. I was in audience with the Prime Minister, the national leader, His Excellency Mr. Shanana Gusmao. First of all, I congratulated him for the successful big events occurred recently in Timor-Leste, the Pope Francis visit, the 25th anniversary of the UN self-determination referendum that threw Timor-Leste to its independence, the visit of many foreign guests to this event, the visit of the UN Secretary General, the visit of the Sahrawi Republic President, and many other distinguished guests. I discussed with the Excellency Prime Minister bilateral issues of common interest. I also updated him about the recent developments in the struggle of Western Sahara to self-determination and full independence and full sovereignty over the Sahrawi Republic.
Reportagem de Fifanya de Carvalho, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atua tem informação atual dia clio. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hoto.